Although a growing number of people are installing doorbell cameras with great success, many are doing more than just contacting police. You're witnessing a porch pirate in action. He's quick, efficient, and believes he's escaping without a trace. The suspect and alleged accomplice, both 13-year-old boys, failed to notice many of the homes on this block have doorbell cams.
The doorbell video was critical in this case, and it was posted on a free app called Neighbors, where people share video like this. You don't have to own a camera to be on it, but you can see what's happening around your neighborhood. We were able to use that video to then identify those two young men.
These cameras are becoming a digital watchdog for communities. It could complete the crime puzzle when the video was shared on the Neighbors app. The Howard County Police have a partnership with the app. Text HCPD to 555-888 to get it free. In this latest case, video from 4 doorbell cams capture the suspects going house to house. The home where the theft took place has a doorbell camera hidden in the porch lights.
I think it's very effective. And I think that the reason they may have gone up there is I didn't see that you can see their doorbell there, but she had some type of footage. And then we immediately asked who else had footage.
Police say porch pirates have darkened people's doorsteps for years, stepping up their game during the holidays.
So many people are shopping online now and getting things delivered to their home. And with that comes lots of packages sitting on lots of front doorsteps.
Police advise you to track your packages. If you aren't home, ask a neighbor to pick it up. Have the items delivered to your employer, or arrange to have the package dropped off at a less obvious place, like a side or back door.
I hope through this that will turn the boys around by being caught at such a young age, that will change their lives.
Packages left at doorsteps have always been easy pickings because, until now, there was no evidence left behind. In Ellicott City, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.